Hi, it's Jason from Dennis Carpenters, and today we're excited to introduce a new and improved sheet metal part for your 68 to 77 Bronco. Dennis Carpenter has invested in new tooling to make a USA-made upper cowl windshield mount panel. Our panel is made from high-quality 16-gauge steel, just like the originals. Includes pre-welded steering column mount bracket, the driver and passenger windshield frame retainer bracket, and the center dash mount bracket. Our windshield mounting panel will be a great way to repair your vintage Bronco in this area that was prone to rust damage and warping. You can find this and many other quality restoration parts for your Bronco at dennis-carpenter.com. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe to stay up to date on our latest releases. You can also follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter.